Good hand fights. When you're ready, that left leg's there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Elbow pass. Right there, right there. You gotta go, you gotta go. Snap down, snap down. Snap down.
Don't reach, don't reach.
Circle.
Go behind, go behind, go behind.
Keep behind. Crossface. Belly wizard. Nothing. Hey. Right there.
Belly wizard.
Short time. Straight in. Up.
You're right.
Circle. 3 seconds. Nothing.
144 pounders, report. 144 pounders, report. 144 pounders, hustle. Even if you check the bracket and you have a bye, report to the table, please. We'll tell you that you have a bye. If you don't get a good work, you'll have one. Let us tell you that.
Good hand fight. Control the wrist. Snap down. Snap down. Oh! Let's go. Hand fight. Hand fight. Fight the hands down there and get to your base. Get to your base. Now work. Up. Keep your hands. Fight the hands. Keep your hands. Look away. Look away. Look away. Shoulder down.
Get your elbow down.
Yes, get that out of the back.
Don't breathe. You don't know how to stop the hand.
144 pounders, report. 144 pounders, report.